In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent forwarding messages on Telegram in just a few simple steps. This is a great privacy feature if you want to keep your conversations more secure and stop other people from easily sharing your messages with others. Whether you're using Telegram for personal chats, work or community conversations, this setting can help you add an extra layer of control over your content. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram and go to the chat with the specific user you want to protect. This needs to be the individual conversation where you want to limit message forwarding. Once the chat is open, tap the user's profile picture at the top of the screen. This will bring up their profile and chat settings. From there, look for the three dots in the top corner, often labeled as More, and tap on it. A menu will appear with additional options for managing the chat. In that menu, select Disable Sharing. Once you turn this on, Telegram will restrict forwarding for that chat, helping prevent messages from being shared elsewhere. This is especially useful if you're discussing private information or simply want more control over how your messages are used. After enabling it, you can go back to the chat and continue messaging as usual, knowing that forwarding has been limited for that conversation. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference for your privacy. And that's it. You've now learned how to prevent forwarding messages on Telegram. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.